Vishal, me, my team, when we met, there was a clarity that we wanted to create a project that was one of the most spectacular projects of this geography. And how would we do it? By, completely giving it our detailed best. So I think that that brief at the beginning made us realize that what we wanted to create and how we wanted to do it. So we have just completed the design deck and we have just finished the design, but now we also have to execute it. So after we execute it, we will invite you to see it, then you tell me what you think. Okay?
Thank you so much, Sujay.
Thank you.
I have a small question to Vishal as well. What made you do collaboration with Suzanne Khan? She's a celebrity. I think she's endorsing your project freely, as well as does design. What made you decide Suzanne Khan?
So we approached Suzanne primarily because of her design sensibilities, and as I said, that we were embarking on a path where we were trying to do something very different, and we really needed a strong design voice with us to sort of show us the way and be like a guide rail.
Input in this, in terms of designing and
I think the main reason that Stella is going to be unique from other properties is, according to me, the design, the aesthetic of the design that we are trying to create. There is a 5-point vision that we've kept for making sure that it's not only something that you see, but it is something that you feel, that you even, what you hear, what you kind of smell. It's almost a 5-sense feeling that you will feel when you enter Stella. And that is something unique.
good evening, Suzanne. Raju,
Hello, how are you?
I would like to ask you something about in this market of Santa Cruz is already a place where many developers are trying to outdo each other, in terms of giving amenity, in terms of giving facilities, in terms of giving luxurious comfort levels to the customers. So what is different which you are planning to give for Stella?
So like I said, I think that the main thing is that right now when the design comes towards, when you see it, you'll understand what is different. Can't explain it on a conversation, but it is a 5-sense design where when you enter the property, you will feel and see and smell and hear the whole being of the person. So like I said before, luxury is not only what you see, it's how it makes you feel when you enter a property. And with Stella, we want the end person who enters the property to feel in a certain way. And I think that will be what we will have different from other people.
Thank you.
And somebody there on the board. So, Mr. I just wanted to ask you how it was difficult for you to work with another designer since you also an architect.
Thank you for the question. I've already had this experience. My husband is also an architect. In so many years of us debating and discussing ideas, and many times our thoughts are extremes. So that's why we thought this get a fresh set of ideas and neutral sort of perspective. And I think it's wonderful working with her. She brings to the table a lot of international experience and exposure and great ideas. It makes us also rethink, because working so many years, I think after a point, I think you get very stagnant with your own set of ideas. You got a very nice, fresh take on things. That was wonderful. Yeah.
Suzanne, it would be outstanding project for this location. Definitely.
Thank you so much, but Suzanne, we have a surprise for you. I would want you to please be seated, take a seat there, and have a look on the screen. a small surprise about somebody. And after that, and as a family member, we just cannot explain how happy and delighted we all are.